So this is Dr. Hill. This is to help you with your reflection activity for this week number 2 of Chemistry Honors. Like I said, density calculations, you're going to have to do 10 of these. They should already be worked, and all you have to do is record step-by-step process of how you came up with your answers. Then the other 2, you're going to have to do either the pair of 6 and 12 or 8 and 10. You're going to actually have to work the problem step by step on the video itself. So it should not be worked for you. All the other ones can be worked for you, but those 2, you have to actually work it as you're talking to me through it on the video, okay? Now I have up here screencast-o-matic.com. This is a free 15-minute videos. You can make those. I'm not trying to promote those or anything else, but you can use that if you like. Use whatever you want to make videos on, okay? This one here I'm using as a Google Slides presentation, which might be a good idea for you to do that. And on the Google Slides, if you want to just take pictures of those and just put the ones for the 10, you can actually cut and paste and put those here, I think, maybe. I'm not sure if you can do that. I'm assuming yes. But on your title slide, you have to have your name and the period that you're in, okay? Let's go for the 10 that you have to just walk me through. These should already be worked for you, just like this. First step, you just read the problem. Number 1 is calculate the density of a substance that has a mass of 12 grams and a volume of 3 centimeters cubed. The next one is you actually pick the variables out. Density equals question mark. It says calculate the density, so that's the unknown. The mass is 12 grams. Ohm equals 12 G. And the volume is 3 centimeters cubed. Volume is 3 centimeters cubed. All I'm doing is you moving the mouse around, okay? Then density equals mass over volume. You're going to have to show me one time where the formula comes for density. And I think I did not leave that up, so let me open that up for you. You should already have this opened up because you do not want to waste time because you'll have 15 minutes to do this. Is it open there? Chemistry reference table. Did it open up as a PDF? Yeah. There you go. So chemistry reference table. You just have to show me one time how to do this. So there's a title. Flip through the page. Just show me. Scroll down. There we go. There's the formula for density. Density equals mass over a volume. Show me that for question number 1, and you don't have to show it again. Therefore, you know where the formula comes from density, okay? So you've got that done. So now we'll continue on to what we were doing, okay? So now we've got the density equals mass over volume. You've got the variables you identified. You've identified the formula. Just talk me through them. Mass is 12. So substitute 12 for the mass. Substitute 3 for the volume. 12 divided by 3 is 4 grams per cubic centimeter. That is all you've got to do for 10 of those 12. The other 2, though, you have to actually work the steps. Calculate the density of a substance that has a mass of 12 grams and a volume of 3 centimeters cubed. You'll actually have to do this. Pulling out the variables for the density, it says it's unknown, so you put D equals question mark, and it says the mass is 12 grams, so you should be typing 12 grams, and the volume, it says, is 3 centimeters cubed. So therefore, you've got that down. Then all you have to say, I've already showed you the formula, and that formula is D equals M over V. D. So density equals the 12 divided by the 3. Density equals 4 grams per cubic centimeter. And that's the way you'll do the two that you've chosen to talk me through. And that's really all you've got to do. You've got to go through the 10 like this. It's already written for you. The answer is already written for you. You just have to talk me through, go through the problem, show me where the variables come from, show me at least one time where the formula comes from, plug in the values and tell me the answer. Then the ones that you chose, either 6 and 12 or 8 and 10, you have to actually walk me through and type the question in as you go through that. That is really all the exercise is this time. Is to make sure you know how to perform step-by-step procedures and how to calculate these density calculations, okay? Well, hopefully this helps. Let me know. Send me emails if you need something or ask me in class, okay? You'll take care.